Windows play a crucial role in the comfort, energy efficiency, and aesthetic appeal of your home. Whether you are upgrading to energy-efficient windows or replacing old, damaged ones, how the windows are installed is just as important as the windows themselves. For homeowners in Little Rock, professional window installation is essential for ensuring long-lasting results, protecting your investment, and enhancing your home's value. Here's why professional window installation is a must for Little Rock homes. Precision and expertise. Professional window installers bring expertise and precision that ensure your windows are installed correctly the first time. They are trained to work with various window types, from double-hung and casement windows to modern energy-efficient and custom designs. Their skill ensures proper measurements, alignment, and sealing, which are critical for window performance. Improper installation can lead to gaps, drafts, and water leaks, which can cause damage to your walls and foundation over time. In Little Rock's variable climate, these problems can escalate quickly. Professional installers use their knowledge and tools to prevent such issues, providing peace of mind that your windows will perform as expected for years to come. Improved energy efficiency. Little Rock experiences both warm summers and chilly winters, making energy efficiency a priority for homeowners. Professionally installed windows create an airtight seal, preventing conditioned air from escaping your home and reducing energy loss. Energy-efficient windows, when installed properly, help regulate indoor temperatures by blocking heat transfer and harmful UV rays. This keeps your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, reducing the strain on your HVAC system. Over time, you will see a noticeable reduction in your energy bills, making professional installation a cost-effective investment. Weather protection for Little Rock homes. Little Rock residents are no strangers to unpredictable weather, including heavy rains, strong winds, and occasional storms. Professionally installed windows provide a tight, secure fit that protects your home against the elements. Poorly installed windows can allow moisture to seep into your home, leading to mold, mildew, and structural damage. Professionals use advanced techniques and high-quality materials to ensure your windows are properly sealed and secured. If you opt for impact-resistant or storm-rated windows, professional installation is critical to ensure they provide the protection they're designed to deliver. Saves time and reduces hassle. Window installation is not a simple DIY task. It requires careful planning, specialized tools, and a deep understanding of the installation process. Attempting to install windows yourself can be time-consuming, frustrating, and prone to costly mistakes. By hiring professionals in Little Rock, you save valuable time and avoid the stress of tackling the project yourself. Professional installers handle everything, including removing old windows, preparing the openings, installing the new windows, and cleaning up after the job. Their efficiency means the project is completed quickly and with minimal disruption to your daily routine. Increased home value and warranty coverage. New windows are a valuable upgrade that can enhance your home's curb appeal, functionality, and overall value. Buyers are often attracted to homes with energy-efficient, professionally installed windows because they know the benefits of comfort, lower utility costs, and durability. Another important advantage is warranty protection. Most window manufacturers require professional installation to keep their warranties valid. This ensures you are covered in case of defects or performance issues, giving you peace of mind and protecting your investment. Conclusion. For Little Rock homeowners, professional window installation is essential to ensure your windows deliver the performance, energy efficiency, and weather protection they promise. From expert precision and long-term savings to enhanced safety and increased home value, professional installation offers unmatched benefits that DIY projects simply can't provide. By trusting experienced installers, you ensure your windows are a lasting, valuable improvement to your home. Whether you're upgrading for better energy efficiency or preparing for the local weather, professional window installation is the key to a successful and stress-free home improvement project.